Ladies and gentlemen, today we've got a major national story to discuss, and it's all about the behavior of Donald Trump's lawyers in the civil fraud case brought forward by the New York Attorney General. You won't believe the twists and turns in this tale. Our exclusive scoop from the meidastouch.com reveals the questionable source behind a Breitbart news story. It's hard to even call it news when you see what they relied on. Donald Trump's lawyer, Christopher Kay, cited this source during a recent court session. But here's the kicker. The source in question has a history of peddling baseless claims and wild conspiracies about judges, attorneys, and court personnel in past cases. This so-called source, mentioned in Breitbart and then cited by Trump's lawyer, is a law clerk who, it turns out, has his own share of troubles. In fact, he'd previously faced a court order for providing dubious information. Let's dive into the meidastouch.com's exclusive report, which we covered in real time during the recent court proceedings. During the hearing, Donald Trump's lawyers, after witnessing a cringeworthy performance by Eric Trump on the stand, decided to take a swing at Judge Engoron, the presiding judge. Their weapon of choice? Attacking Judge Engoron's law clerk and claiming bias. When asked for the source of their claims, Christopher Kay, once known as a respectable attorney, shockingly cited Breitbart. The courtroom reaction was a mix of gasps and laughter. A lawyer citing Breitbart? Really? But here's where it gets interesting. The Breitbart story Kay referred to had one central source. This source accused Judge Engoron of drinking on the job. However, in 2020, a court ruled that this same source had created websites and videos in a malicious attempt to harass and intimidate defendants, their counsel, and the court. To summarize, the Trump lawyers were relying on a Breitbart source who accused Judge Engoron's law clerk of being politically biased. But when you dig deeper, this source, known as Brock Frieden, is behind the Judicial Protest Twitter account. This same account authored a tweet that Trump was ordered to delete from his own social media platform. But that's not all. Frieden went a step further by creating an entire website attacking Judge Engoron's law clerk, labeling them as a Democrat operative and a danger to American families. He even wrote a letter to Judge Engoron claiming a violation of his First Amendment rights. This isn't the first time Frieden has attacked judges and others with wild claims. In 2022, a federal judge in a case involving Frieden pointed out that he had a history of creating inflammatory content aimed at defendants, their families, their legal counsel, and court personnel. This included baseless accusations of racism, torture, drug abuse, and other illegal acts. The judge found that Frieden's actions were an attempt to pressure defendants into favorable settlements and rulings. So to wrap it up, Trump's lawyer relied on a Breitbart source linked to a known troublemaker, all in an attempt to attack Judge Engoron's law clerk. It's a desperate move that raises eyebrows and leaves us wondering just how pitiful and desperate Trump's legal team can be. It's almost as if MAGA stands for Make Attorneys Get Attorneys. This story is truly a testament to the length some people will go to in the name of politics. Stay tuned for more twists and turns in this ongoing saga.